Hello people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to our new video. So today we are doing this topic of 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍 handshaking. Now we have seen 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍 chip. It's a programmable I/O and timer. We have seen its timer functions, its modes, programming of the timer, generating square wave, etc. So that is the timer part. Now we are dealing with the I/O section. Now in the I/O section, you got three ports, port A, port B, port C. They work in two modes. Mode 0, there is no handshaking, simple data transfer. Mode 1 is handshaking. That's what we're going to learn. Mode 1 input handshaking as well as output handshaking. We have learned handshaking before also in this chip 8255. Today we are learning it for 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍. We learn how it is different. Tell me, is handshaking useful? Of course. That is the reason why when we put a pen drive or any kind of device on a computer and transfer data, whether we print data, whether we transfer data to a CD drive on a CD, etc., data is not lost. That is because data is not simply transferred from one place to the other. There are exchange of signals before and after the data transfer to ensure that the transfer is reliable. Once you are sure that every byte is transferred correctly, apply the same logic over the whole file, the entire file will be transferred correctly. That's the reason why when we remove the pen drive, we get up with the confidence that yes, whatever we want to transfer has been transferred. It is not maybe or may not be. So the concept that makes the transfer so reliable is called handshaking. That's what we're going to be learning today. This was the introduction. You want to watch the whole video, you want to learn all of 8085 and enjoy learning it, come on my website www.bharatacharyaeducation.com. The link is given down below. We have made courses of all processors, 8085, 8086, 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍, Pentium, 8051, etc. Lots of courses are there. This video will be there in the 8085 course. Though the course was already since a long time, a lot of students requested to add this chip 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍 which is taught in their college. So that's the reason why we're making this. We already made 3 videos on 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍. So this is about handshaking, and then the final video will be about the internal structure and the interfacing of 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗁𝗍. That's going to be the next one. But anyway, so you'll see all of these videos in the 8085 series. Click on that series, click on the subscribe button, make the payment. As soon as you make the payment, the course becomes active. All videos are available to you for 6 months. You can watch them as many times as you like. Along with every video, you know that you get a PDF. Right above the video, there's a link, view notes. Click that, the PDF opens. The entire theory that you're supposed to write in the exam, the diagrams, the explanation, all of it is there. In case there are programs in that particular topic, programs are there with comments and so on. Plus you get a PDF of VIVA questions, plus you get a PDF of MCQs. MCQs has become the new thing. It's gained a lot of popularity, and I'm so happy colleges have shifted to this idea, because this is what really tests a student. You can mug up answers and write them without really understanding them, but you cannot tackle MCQs if you've not understood the subject. So in competitive exams, if you're preparing for government entrance exams, for higher degree entrance exams, these are the questions that they're going to be asking you. We have our MCQs constantly updated. We keep adding new and new questions to it, making it higher level as well as catering to the level which is there for college students. Most importantly, you also get direct access to me. This is my WhatsApp number. Whenever you have a doubt, once you're my student, text me on WhatsApp, says this is my doubt. As soon as I'm free, maybe immediately, maybe if not at that time, by the end of the day, I'll definitely reply. Okay? Hope to see you there. Wish you all the best. Do well.